Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show you a really cool problem. Let's suppose you have an exe like this one and you want to run this particular exe from VBA. Okay, this is an executable which I have written in Python that downloads lots of charts based on this chart urls.json file and using the password and login credential to log in into that particular website. So that's the env file. So basically what I want to show you is that, let's say if I just copy this copy path and if I open command prompt and if I just paste that path dtem chd chart downloader.exe, then I get this error that chart URL file name that is none, and it says that it couldn't find this chart urls.json file. Although this file is present on this particular drive, it couldn't find that, and that is because this chart downloader is looking into the current working directory. Okay, and if I want to show you the VBA that what's the current working directory, then you'll see it's D downloads. It's not any other folder, it's the D downloads folder. Okay, so that is the problem, that it was looking into this current working directory which is not this particular folder but in the D downloads folder. So how can we solve this particular problem and make these things work? So what we need to do, we need to open this command prompt again, like if we just do open this command prompt again, and then if I want to go into this particular drive, then what I can do, just copy this and cd. But if I just paste this, then you'll see it doesn't go into that particular folder because we need to change the drive, right? So that's why we need this /t and then the folder path. Now this time it goes into that particular folder. Now if I just put this particular file name in the command prompt, okay, and then if I just do this, then it says okay, it could find that particular file and then it's trying to log in into that particular website. I'm not going into the execution of this particular thing because that's not the point of this particular video. So it's opening, right? So it's really finding this particular chart urls.json file because I have changed this current working directory. So how can we do this from the VBA side, right? How can we make sure that it always go into that particular folder, okay, and change the working directory to that particular place and then execute that particular file? So I have that sample code in this particular section. So this current dir returns the current working directory, and if we want to change the current working directory to other directory, then we can use chdir function, and here is the chdir statement that will change the current working directory to some different folder. Okay, and this is the current function documentation. You can check them. I'll put the link in the video description. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm finding the exe path, so that is basically where we have this particular Excel file, and then we're just saying okay, give me this file path and then find the current directory, change this to this particular directory, and then run this particular cell command. Now let me show you that if we just say okay, without this, run this, then you'll see file not found, cell chart downloader.exe, it couldn't find that particular file. So let me just do exe path, okay, as we are doing this. So exe path vb normal. Now let's run this. Then this time it opened that, but it did nothing, like it just closed automatically because we get that particular error. So that's why it closed immediately. But if I just change this to use like this way, that okay, change this directory and then run that particular file, then you will see that it could find that particular file and it's opening that particular website and pulling all the charts. Okay, so this is the way we can solve this particular problem, that when we have this particular scenario that we need to go into that particular website and change that particular directory to a working directory, then we can use this chdir statement. There is one more caveat on this particular solution, is that let's suppose this current directory is not d/downloads. If it's on different drive, like C drive, and your file is on the D drive, it's better to change that particular drive first, and for that there is one more function, that is change drive. So that is let's see, change drive, ch drive. Okay, and if you just go into this documentation, you'll see that you need to put the drive characters like this, ch drive and then D. Make D the current drive. Okay, so like if I just say okay, ch drive, make C drive as a current drive. Now if I try to run this, then I get C program files, Microsoft Office, root Office 16, right? If I just change this to D and then run again, then I'll see D downloads. Okay, so if you have file in different drives, so you need to run the ch drive first and then put that ch dir after that. Okay, so that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any question or suggestion. Have a good day.